everybody, it's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport on YouTube and E-Life Behind Bars on Instagram. So today we're going to be installing about 5,000 arcade style games, everything from Mario Brothers to Donkey Kong, Mortal Kombat, MLB Baseball. So let's get into it. So you have to have Downloader on there and a PlayStation controller or any controller. We're going to go ahead and open up Downloader. 984-860. I crunched it down. It's gonna bring you right to their main site. Trigger thumb it lightly and it'll start downloading. So at some point you're gonna have to connect your PlayStation controller or any controller via USB. These are the games, these are the topics, the categories. Tons of stuff going on here. And when you connect the controller, it'll highlight in this section. And it should recognize it. I can tell by the sound. And there we go. Let's run some baseball. I was the MLB Home Run Derby champion in 2019. It was a great year. But just want to show you guys what it can do. It's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport on YouTube and E-Life Behind Bars on Instagram. And this is what it is. Let's go opposite field. This is where you would exit from. You can go wide angle. You'll figure out the controllers. This is the Oculus controller. It works well. It meshes well. Look at that. And Mike Tyson's punch out. So let's bring this a little closer. And it's a very simple setup. So again, customize it. The only thing I did was add the option button on the PlayStation here. Everything else remains the same. There we go. But I know y'all gonna go crazy for this right here. I feel like I'm in the arcade right now. I gotta go. Peace. It's been great.